Knowledge of the self is the only real wealth. Spiral out, spiral in.
I recalibrate the cipher in the quiet of the mind temple. Temples been like light through a prism of residual frequencies of the ancestors whisper through the residual. I don't chase the superficial, I excavate the mystical. Syllables feel like liquid mercury over the percussion. Internal rhymes interlocking multi-layered discussion of the quantum entanglement between spirit and the muscle. Breath control like a monk in the middle of the hustle. Jazz horn in my larynx, co-train in the cadence. Miles in the silence between the bars of the matrix. Abstract hieroglyphs dancing on the tip of the tongue. I freestyle the future while the past is still young. Park bench philosopher, street corner metaphysician, turning concrete into canvas with precision diction. No gangster posture and just the posture of the seer, seeing through the veil while the world stays unclear. Orbit in a cipher orbit, spinning through the dark, still I absorb it. Orbit, knowledge is the orbit, love is the force that keeps the soul in order. I was born in the year the cosmos shifted slightly. 69 vibrations still vibrating tightly. Cadillac nights in the neon of the psyche, writing rhymes that move like smoke through a night sky. Vocabulary vault larger than the catalog of stars. I stack unique words like constellations in jars. Stream of consciousness, river, no dam, no border. I flow like the wind through the open mind's corridors. Sing the high notes and drop to the bass like a trumpet player, trading fours with space. Self-Jupiter energy, AC alone balance, but the voice is my own. In this lyrical palace, I don't battle for the crown, I just expand the kingdom. Every bar a new dimension, every pause a new rhythm. From the good life days to the present transmission, still the same mission, elevate the condition. See the pattern, feel the pattern, breathe the pattern, now dissolve the pattern. Babies and the fools who still seek, I remain a student even when they call me elite. Park bench people still watching the horizon while the whole universe is quietly rising. I rhyme in the meter of a saxophone solo. Miles Davis muted, Coltrane in the low. Rapid fire yet relaxed, technical yet soulful. Complexity with clarity, that's the only goal. No need for the gimmick when the substance is pure. I write the prescription and I am the cure. In the knowing is the only real knowing. Keep the cipher spinning,